So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you can come on this website www.gigabyte.com and this is search button and just enter your model number B650M CV2 and then hit enter. Then click on now title. Then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10, 11, both your operating system is installation same. So select any installations process same. So this is Realtek audio driver and just click to download. This is download button. Then this is start downloading. I already downloaded, you can see here 165, and then double click to exe. Then click on yes. Now this is installing. Then it is close automatically, means is install. Chipset, AMD chipset driver, see this one, and click to download. It will start downloading. So it is done. After downloaded, just open it and double click to chipset. Then click on yes. Now this is installing, and this is closed, means this is installed, and then close it. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. It will start downloading LAN driver, and I already downloaded, you can see this is 10 for 10, and double click to exe. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. So this is down installing onto system. So it is closed means this is installed, and then close it. Then Bluetooth driver, BT means Bluetooth driver, and click to download. It is completed. Just single click to open, and double click to exe. You can see this is, and then click to yes for the administrator rights to install. Now this is installing. You can see this is Bluetooth version with version. Okay, and then close it. This is installed. This is very small driver, so you just click to close. Then Wi-Fi driver in this VLAN, WLAN means Wi-Fi driver. So Wi-Fi driver, and this is size. Just click on the download. You can see after that you can start downloading. Then after download, just open it. Then double click to exe. Yes. And then close it.